Welcome to our cinematic story, Craft English Learning YouTube channel. Is that really you, Sophia?
Ethan, no way. I can't believe this.
Wow, after all these years, what are the chances?
Fate. Maybe. You haven't changed a bit.
Well, except for a few gray hairs.
Oh, come on. You still look just as mischievous.
And you still have that same bright smile.
It feels like a dream. Where have you been all this time?
Life took me places, work, travel, and a lot of unexpected turns. What about you?
Same here. Moved to another city, switched jobs, life happened.
Remember how we used to dream about traveling the world together?
Oh, yes. And we never did.
Maybe it's not too late.
You always had crazy ideas.
And you always entertained them.
I missed this, our endless talks.
Me too. I missed you.
So, tell me, are you still scared of roller coasters?
That was one time you tricked me into going on that ride.
And you screamed louder than a 5-year-old.
Still holding that against me, huh?
Of course, some things never change.
Like your love for coffee. Still a double shot espresso girl?
Always. And you, still drinking the world's sweetest coffee.
Guilty as charged.
You know, I thought about reaching out to you so many times.
Why didn't you?
Life got in the way. I thought you'd moved on.
I never forgot you, Sophia. Not once.
That means a lot.
So, are you happy?
I have a good life, but something always felt missing.
Maybe this? Us?
Maybe.
You know, sitting here with you, I feel like no time has passed.
Same here. It's like we picked up right where we left off.
That's the beauty of real friendship.
Yeah, real friendship.
What if we don't let life pull us apart again?
You mean stay in touch? Like really?
Yes, no more life got in the way excuses.
Okay, deal.
I'll even let you drag me onto another roller coaster.
You're serious.
Only if you promise not to let go of my hand this time.
So you admit you were scared.
I admit nothing,
Some things really never change.
and I hope they never do.
Me too, Ethan. Me too.
You know, meeting you today feels like life giving me a second chance.
Me too, Ethan. I never realized how much I missed this.
So, no more disappearing for years.
Not a chance. This time, I'm not letting life get in the way.
Promise?
I promise. And you?
I'll even let you trick me into another scary ride.
Now that's a real commitment.
Just don't disappear again, Sophia.
I won't, Ethan. This is just the beginning.
Commend your feedback, like and subscribe our channel.